क्या भारत का दल बदल विरोधी कानून अब पूरी तरह बेअसर हो चुका है? क्या कुछ विधायक मिलकर जनता के पूरे जनादेश को ही पलट सकते हैं? नमस्कार दोस्तों, देश की सर्वोच्च अदालत यानी माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता कपिल सिब्बल ने एक ऐसी जनहित याचिका दायर की है जिसने देश के सियासी गलियारों में हलचल मचा दी है। इस याचिका में संविधान की 10वीं अनुसूची यानी एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ के तहत होने वाले राजनीतिक दलों के विलय मर्जर्स को सीधे चुनौती दी गई है। आखिर क्या है यह पूरा कानूनी विवाद? वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता कपिल सिब्बल ने माननीय अदालत के सामने क्या बड़े तर्क रखे हैं, ये सब जानने समझने के लिए आइए जानते हैं।
They refer to the constitution of the party. Election Commission doesn't say I don't have it. What is how are they concerned with it? We went to the commission agreeing that under this constitution or under this organizational structure, he was appointed by me. And if both parties are ad idem, that their appointment, the appointment was done by me, Mullahs, where is the question of saying I don't find that constitution on my website? The Election Commission knows, Mullahs. There's no way the 1999 constitution, the Election Commission is quite aware because there was no pramukh. There was only a pramukh there. Anyway, and they never asked us, look, how do you do this? There's a new organizational structure. There must be a new constitution. Where is your new constitution?
Sibal, just for one clarification. First, you are arguing the symbol matter.
No, I'm arguing the disqualification matter. Yes. Similarly, in the organizational elections held on 23rd of January 2018, I showed you a lot of the 2013. This is now 2018. Uddhav Thackeray was unanimously elected Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh. Results of organizational elections were communicated to the Election Commission, who had letter dated 27 to 2018. This letter is available on the website of the Election Commission. Eknath Shinde was nominated as Shiv Sena leader by the Paksh Pramukh in 2018. Organizational elections. He consequently became member of the Rashtriya Karyakarani. The Shiv Sena party leadership is duly reflected in the letter of 27 to 2018. Speaker Shinde is a group leader nominated by Paksh Pramukh. Right, Bharat? Now, this is in 2018. No dispute on that. They accept there's a new organization. It's the Paksh Pramukh who has nominated him. Election Commission does not dispute it. Neither do they. But Election Commission says that constitution is not with me. Therefore, 2018 goes, I will not recognize that. When there is no dispute between us. After 4 years after the election is over, this election is disputed. Now, kindly come to what the speaker said. There, no? Yes. Yes. Kindly see what the speaker says. In view of the above conclusions, I find that the leadership structure of Shiv Sena reflected in the letter of 27th February, which I just read to you all, right? Available on the website of the ECI, is the relevant leadership structure. So he accepts it. Relevant leadership structure, which has to be taken into account for the purposes of determining which faction is the real political party. The question whether which faction is the real party is discernible from the 2018 leadership structure is discussed in paragraph 112 to 131 of the present order. And he says the leadership structure so determined as the relevant leadership structure for the purposes of these disqualification petitions are hereby referred to. And in those paragraphs, he says, I don't have the constitution, so I won't recognize any of this. I'll come to that later, but I'm just indicating your lordships. Here he accepts everything. Then come to the next date, Mullahs, which is 4/4/2018. Page, Mullahs, 4/4/2018, Mullahs, my list of dates. Serial number 3 of the list of dates. On the 4th of April 2018, a further communication was sent to the Election Commission of India containing details of the organizational elections held on 23/1/2018 and also the amendments carried out to the party constitution. The amended constitution also was amended to the communication, which he denies. And your lordships will find that now, so that we can show that. Page 49. of 3C, which volume your lordship already has. Yes. Your lordship already has. This is this letter, Malaz, on the 4th of April. Your lordships will find it on the top right-hand side. And Malaz, the starting toward the end of the page, after the election procedure, page 50, page 50. On the right-hand top, you will find the date 4th of April. And at the bottom of that page, you will find the paragraph starting after the election procedure was completed. So after the election procedure was completed and newly elected national executive resumed on the dais, Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh Uddhav Thackeray co-opted 4 leader and 12 deputy leaders under his discretionary powers as per article so-and-so of the constitution of the party. So they refer to the constitution of the party. Election Commission doesn't say, I don't have it. In 2018, the list of names of 4 leaders and 12 co-opted deputy leaders is also attached herewith for your record. Also, please find copies attached of the election procedure and results declared by election officer of Balkishan Joshi, advocate so-and-so, so-and-so. And now you will find, Malaz, that in the structure, which is at page 52, Eknath Shinde is declared as one of the leaders. He is serial number 4 at page 52. Same thing as earlier, Malaz. So that's so. Now come back to the list of dates, Malaz. Or should we show what the speaker has said? Yeah, it's better I show what the speaker has said, which is volume 3D, page 68.
3D, no?
3D, page 68. Malaz, that's the order of the speaker. Para 96. My lord has it? My lord Justice Bakshi has it? Yes.
Yes.
After having considered the submissions advanced by both the parties on the question as to which is the relevant constitution for the purpose of determination of the primary issue, I have come to the following conclusions. As per Honorable Apex Court, if both the factions have submitted different versions of the constitution, not true. They are appointed under the 2018. We have given 2013, 2018. We say under the constitution they have been appointed. So where is the question? As per Apex Court, if both the factions have submitted different versions of the constitution, then in that case, what has to be taken into account is the constitution which was submitted to the ECI with the consent of both parties before rival factions emerged. But he was nobody under the 1999 constitution. Before recording further conclusions, I find it imperative to reiterate that pursuant to the initiation of these disqualifications, the Maharashtra Legislative Secretariat, by later dated 7th June 2023, requested Office of Election Commission of India to provide a copy of the party constitution and regulations of Shiv Sena political party, which have been submitted to the Election Commission of India and stand effective as on 21st of June. It is also pertinent to mention that in the said letter, it was specifically requested to the Election Commission of India that copies of all subsequent amendments, if any, to the Constitution be also provided. In response to the letter, Election Commission of India, by letter dated that, provided a copy of the Constitution and rules of Shiv Sena as available on the records of the Commission. After further, with respect to the amendments to the said Constitution, Election Commission requested Legislature Secretariat to refer to order dated 17th February 2023, passed by ECI in dispute number such and such. Having perused the same, it has to be noted that the copy of the Constitution of Shiv Sena provided by the ECI does not bear any date or year, but as per the ECI, that which is provided White there replies the only constitution of Shiv Sena available on the record of the ECI with respect to the amendments, if any, to the said constitution. The Election Commission White order dated so-and-so has held in para so-and-so that the amended constitution of 18 is not on the record of the commission. How are they concerned with it? We went to the commission agreeing that this constitution or under this organizational structure, he was appointed by me. And if both parties are ad idem, that the appointment was done by me, Maras, where is the question of saying I don't find that constitution on my website? Thus, the petitioner's submission that the constitution of 18 has to be taken into account cannot be accepted, as I am bound to follow the directions of the apex court and accordingly take into account the constitution, what the election commission has provided. In my jurisdiction under the 10th schedule, I cannot delve into any other factors while deciding which is the relevant constitution. As prima facie, it is evident the record of the ECI, the 1999 constitution, is the one in which was submitted by the ECI. So, Maharaj, that's the logic of the learned speaker. Now, let's come back to the list of dates, Maharaj.
We continue on Tuesday, Mr. Sibal.
Yes, very well. Deeply with that.
Can do one favor,
Yes.
Yes.
prepare a convenient compilation
Yes.
for a document 3D to 5D.
All right. We'll do that. We'll do that.
One compilation.
Certainly, we'll do that.
That will help.
Make it easier, Maharaj.
Make it easier for you and definitely for us.
Yes, certainly. Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.